Hey everybody, in this video we're going to simplify the expression 3x plus 7y plus 8x minus 2y, okay, by combining like terms. So what it says is first, place a colored line under each like term. So come over here and grab a marker or a pen, it's up to you. Okay, I'm going to go blue. And I'm going to first underline the 3x, okay? And so 3x is a term, and another term that's like would also be the 8x. And then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to grab another color. Let's go green, okay? And I know that 7y, okay, and this is a minus 2y, or a negative 2y, okay, is also a like term, okay? So now that we've identified all the terms, we can combine like terms. So 3x and 8x would add up to 11x. And then 7y minus 2y, or plus negative 2y, would be plus 5y. And there it is.